3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple.
Hello, today I'm going to take you guys along to filming this video, so enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. So right now you see me filming this exact video, and I'm using the app called Procreate, and I use it for this type of stuff, so handwritten or also animation, as you can see right now.
Stronger than you know, there's power in your bones, the flowers that you've grown were water.
The first step for me is planning, and I'm writing down all the things I need to film, so every shot I need to make. When I did that, I'm going to select all the pieces I filmed and I'm going to airdrop it to my MacBook. And there I am going to make a new folder where I store all the filmed things. And when this part is done, I'm going to go on to the fun part, where I actually use Thematic, which is an application where you can find copyright-free songs, and I'm using this for every video of mine, so I'm really recommending it to you. And here you can see me finding new music.
What to do? I can make them vanish if you let me shine. You like to put somebody else's happiness before your own. I see the weight of Atlas on your shoulder, weighs a ton. I'm trying to be the ball and light and energy for you to grow. You see, you're just a...
And now you can see me importing all my footage into the editing file. I use an app called VN, which is available for phones and also your MacBook. And now just enjoy me editing away.
But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. This is only fair, now go ahead and let your hair down. Place the flowers into your hair. You don't have to care about anything you used to care about. When you wanna smile, I'll be there. This is only fair, now go ahead and let your hair down. Place the flowers.
And now the real inception begins, because you can see me actually recording this voiceover. And the last step for me is rewatching the video and changing the things I'm not quite happy with. But with this one I was happy, so now thank you for watching.